Okay, you guys, so I took the seat back out and here we go. So, as you can see, this is the Lincoln Navigator over here. This is the Ford Expedition. 2007. Both of them 2007, and both of them have the same framework. All right, so everything up here is the same. Up here is the same as far as the bolting on the feet goes. So you see right there, everything is perfectly fine. Now we have the motor here, these two motors. Now, there's a reason why that this is not working with the electrical signal over here. Now, take a look at this. All right, so you see how this connector right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. Let's go over here. This is the original seat. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. All right. Now let's go to our Lincoln Navigator. We have 50 wires. It's like, just kidding. But we do have a lot of wires here, and it also had another connection right here. So, my father-in-law helped me get this out. We got it out the junkyard. I did purchase a warranty. Fortunately, with my junkyard, it used to be called Crazy Rays. If you are in the Maryland area, now it's called LKQ. All right. You can purchase a warranty. The guy told me it's a 90-day warranty. If something happens, if the seat don't work, I can bring it back, or I can exchange it with a different seat if I want to. So I love the junkyard because of the warranty. Now this seat, I believe, had heated seats and memory on it also. It had the tag. Well, the thing is, we took the control off, but they had the memory module here too. Now, as you can see, all this is empty on my original seat, and we have a whole bunch of wires, a whole lot of wires. I'm gonna be honest, this don't mean nothing to me. I'm going to take all of this out. All of this wire harness is out. Everything gotta go. And I am going to put the old one over here on this side. That way I can have the wiring where I need it to be. All right, and that's about it with that, you guys. This thing is pretty much stuck. All right, now then the parts guy told me that they don't sell the full seat, they sell it in parts. And I'm like, man, I don't have time for this. All right. So, and then it was unavailable, right? Everything's unavailable now. And I don't feel like going to the side shops, the side mechanic shops, because I just don't feel like dealing with the headache, because sometimes the side mechanic shops take forever. Okay? Don't have time for that. So we are here. We looked up 2007 Ford. I think it's from 2007 to 2011 or whatever the generation is. I looked up for that generation, and then all of a sudden we thought about, hey, what about Lincoln Navigator, right? Same company. So we looked into it, and the Lincoln Navigator is a good fit for my truck. From what I know, Lincoln is more of the luxury part of Ford, right? So this seat has a lot of luxury stuff. So what I'm gonna have to do is put the electrical harness work and all that stuff over here. I hope y'all enjoy these episodes that are coming this year of Your Trash, My Treasure. And yeah, enjoy this movie. All right, you guys, so I got this side by side. Now, I know some people might say, well, why did you get a black seat? I will explain why. You see this? It comes right off, you guys. The leather on the metal brace of this comes right off. So I am going to take the black Lincoln leather off and put the original leather on. So you would never know if the seat was changed or not. I will be changing the harness and all the electrical stuff. I will be swapping. All right, you guys, so hopefully this works. If I got time to record the swapping, I will record it. If I don't have time to record it, then I will show you the aftermath after recording it. All right, you guys, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel and thank y'all for coming on this journey with me. Anyways, so we are at the 4th quarter on our new series, Your Trash, My Treasure. So basically, we have the seat in. I know, we left the black right here. Don't worry, you guys. My tan Expedition one is in the trunk. We just wanted to hurry up, put it in, test it out, and be done with it. So we will finish putting this on around springtime. We don't drive the truck that much. I just drive it every once in a while. The main time it get used is when kids are back in sports and stuff like that. So from spring all the way to fall, we use the truck every now and then. But as far as the winter time goes, we don't use the truck. So we have the black part right here. It has a Lincoln symbol right here, right on the top. And we put our bottom part back on. Now look, it moves all the way forward. No problems. Moves all the way back. I kind of like the black seats. I wish this truck had black seats because it looks pretty cool. One thing I could say is the Lincoln seats actually feel better as far as the leather goes. I don't know. Maybe it's just because that's just the way it feels. All right, you guys. So that is it. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned because later on I will be doing some more Your Trash, My Treasure series, and that will be it. Like, comment, and subscribe.